Hi, welcome to Conversion Conversations. This is Cameron. If it sounds weird, it's because I had to move my setup back a little bit. I'm away from the microphone because I am doing the unboxing video for my Titans Return Trypticon. I got this guy about a year ago. I've been kind of intimidated to open him. I wanted to review him on camera, and let's go ahead and at least fucking open the box, right? All right. Ugh. Let's see if I can. So, box, love the art. I really wish we got a book, like a big coffee table book of all the Generations artworks, especially like Combiner Wars, Titans Return, Power of the Primes, and now Siege. Like, it's gorgeous, gorgeous art. I really wish we got that. We've got, you know, our little Titanmaster. I don't even know if he has a name. Necro. Full Tilt comes in here, Trypticon. The whole reason I'm doing this now is to get him open, but then also I do have Brunt that I've got to review. And I feel like you can't do a good Brunt review without Trypticon. Okay. Let's see what's in the box. Oh. Can I do this without knocking my lights over? The answer is no, but I'll try. Hey! Okay. He's massive. I mean, of course, right? He's Titan class, but just look at that dinosaur boy. We've got stickers. I don't think I'm going to apply these because I've already got the repro labels sitting on my shelf. I think I had the stickers longer than I had Trypticon. I bought the stickers knowing that I'd get him eventually. I'm really glad I found Trypticon at Ollie's. So yeah, here's the original sticker sheet that I do not think I will be using, especially after my experience with Metroplex. Here is his instructions. Big page. You know, it's weird because like he's so big. I've been thinking that I'm gonna get that Unicron figure. Depending on how reviewing Trypticon goes, I might end up holding off on Unicron. I really want it. The price, I think I can save up and that won't be a problem. Here's his, oh, that's actually like not in the light, is it? There we go. Little art and tech specs. Okay. I hate the way these things are fastened in. Like you've got, on all the Titan figures, all the big stuff. It's such a big toy, it doesn't need to be tied in. It just makes it more difficult for anyone else to actually do their unboxing. I've always liked the way Japan packages their figures. Like, they just do like a big clamshell. But I guess their stores are less concerned with, like, theft than we are. Although, who the fuck's gonna, you know... I guess if someone managed to sneak out a Trypticon, more power to them. And then we've got, what, another layer of these little bands. That's just awful. Hopefully some of this is on camera. But yeah, from what I've heard, Trypticon is... it's like I'm cutting a really bad steak. There we go. I should have grabbed my scissors. I keep saying that every time. I don't know why I go immediately to the knife. Rather than scissors. But from everything I've seen and heard, Trypticon's the best Titan class figure we've gotten so far. Maybe Omega Supreme's gonna give him a run for his money. I do like the looks of that Omega Supreme. But I've got an Omega Supreme, I've got an Omega Sentinel. I don't see myself getting that guy. Maybe if they repaint him as the Action Master, like Omega Supreme. And with the way Hasbro's been doing like their weird repaints lately, like the Rainseekers and stuff, I could see them doing something bizarre like that. Okay. Now we've got Trypticon. Oh! And Full Tilt is up top. Get that guy out of here. Oh, he comes in a little, like, carrying case? How is it tabbed in? Ah! There's our little Deluxe boy. There's our Necro, our Titanmaster. Man, as soon as I put my hands on this guy, like, I already remember how much I love the play pattern of Titan's Return. Still probably, as a collective line, still probably my favorite line. We've got one leg, we've got two legs, this shit can get gone. Oh! Here we've got Trypticon, and I guess I'll end it after I plug in his legs. Because these flip down. And I wonder if I put them on backwards. For now, we'll call this a successful unboxing. He has at least been taken out of the box. I'm going to play around with him, and then I'll review him in a couple weeks' time. And that's it. Oh, the whole purpose of me doing this video was to announce the winner of the giveaway of Ironhide. So keep watching, and we'll switch over to me at the computer to see who won. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. All right, we're back again to do the actual giveaway for the Transformers Arms Micron Ironhide, the Deluxe Ironhide. And let me read off everyone who applied for the giveaway. We've got Jonathan Louie. We've got Papa Gord, the Canadian Santa Claus, Braden Moore, Bruce Miranda, Wizards Untie, Skybite, Tatimus Prime, Casey, Super Mr. Kingdom Hearts, I'm assuming that's the acronym, Wreck and Rule, Ninja Bill 1000, Ted Spaghetti, and Alex the Hitman. And let's go ahead and see who our winner is. So random between, equals random between 1 and 13. 4 is Bruce Miranda. So Bruce Miranda, you won Ironhide. If you reach out to me either through YouTube or on Twitter, and the About page on the YouTube page has all my different contact information. On Twitter and Mastodon, I'm Sieta Shami. On Discord, same thing. However you want to reach out to me. You won Ironhide, so he can find a great home with you as soon as you reach out to me. Thanks for watching, everyone. Glad I got to give Ironhide to a good home. And I've played around with Trypticon since recording the actual unboxing. He's a lot of fun. I believe the next videos I'll be doing are the Wave 3 Little Guys, Battle Masters, and Micromasters that I picked up, then the Reflectors, and then I'm going to be doing a stickering series because I don't remember if it's multiple people or if it's one very persistent person on the channel. Someone's really been asking me when I do my next stickering video, so that's going to be a stickering video for, I think I'm going to do Full Tilt as a sticker, because I figure that's a deluxe, that'll be a nice short video. And at that time, I'll be at Gen Con, so wish me luck. I'm recording videos ahead of time, so there's no break in content while I'm at Gen Con. And have a great day, everyone. See ya.